Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Dark blue color, parrot green color, red color, green color, purple color, pink color, sky blue color, black color, yellow color. Now let's learn some alphabet.
ABCD
A for apple. B for bag.
Now I know my ABCs.
C for cup. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fan. G for God. H for hat. I for ink. J for jug. K for king.
Now I know my ABCs.
L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for red. S for sweet. T for television. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye kids. See you soon in next video.